The 100-ounce silver bar is as beautiful as it is pure. It is simultaneously a compelling asset that you can hold in your hands, a convenient form of large-scale silver ownership, and one of the world's most captivating precious metals. Struck from .999 pure silver, each silver bar is one of the purest representations of this highly desired metal, and its production from the world's most trusted government and private mint stands as a testament to unparalleled craftsmanship. U.S. Money Reserve is proud to offer its clients the advantage of purchasing silver in conveniently higher volumes. Each silver bar contains 100 ounces of fine silver and provides a cost-efficient storage solution for larger silver purchases and diversification needs. The silver bars we offer come from some of the world's top minting facilities, such as Asahi and Royal Canadian Mint. Most 100-ounce silver bars are stamped with the Mint's brand, silver content, and silver purity. These elements stand out in bold relief against the smooth sheen of the silver bar. When time is of the essence, buying silver bars is one of the quickest ways to maximize the volume of your precious metals portfolio.